Hi, it's a very good morning to all of you. So, last class, because of the time issue, we couldn't complete one question, and that was at the last stage. The question was in the last stage. That means, I think question number, it was question number 5. Yes, so question number 5. So, up to this much we got the key 5m minus 5n by m plus n. It was something like this up to this much, and we need to find a ratio. Then because of the time issue, our video got cancelled. So then it would be C, suppose 0 equal to 5m minus 5n by m plus n. That means when the value will be 0, if the numerator will be 0, because denominator can't be 0. So in this case, this can't be 0, this must be 0 to get it 0. So 5m minus 5n equal to 0. So this will implies 5m equal to 5n. So therefore ratio is m by n equal to 5 by 5. So 1 by 1, therefore the ratio is m ratio n is 1 is to 1, 1 ratio 1. Got it? So this was the last part. Up to this much we did in the last class, and then I think you have done that. But I told you na that in the next class I will do. That is why I showed. So let's start our class. Question number first we will do question number 9. Question number 9. Today is the last day. We will do problems on this section formula. Then from tomorrow the last topic of the coordinate geometry, that is area of geometrical figure, area of triangles, quadrilaterals, rhombus, whatever the figure may be. So that topic we will study from tomorrow. So today is the last day on this section formula. So let's see question number 9. Those who had not watched that last video, they will not understand what sir has done this much. So that is why before seeing this class, refer to the previous class, then you proceed to this class. Got it now? Then you will get what is happening. How come this he gets 0 equal to 5m minus 5n by m plus n. Got it now? So let's see question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining a minus 2 comma 2 and b 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. तो इस क्वेश्चन का हिंदी का मतलब ये है कि -2 कमा 2 एंड 2 कमा 8 ये दोनों पॉइंट को जोड़ने वाला लाइन सेगमेंट को 4 इक्वल भाग में भाग करेगा, तो उस पॉइंट का आप कोऑर्डिनेट निकालो. दैट मींस यू आर गिवन द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द टू एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ अ लाइन सेगमेंट. दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी. ए's कोऑर्डिनेट इज गिवन एज -2 comma 2 and b's coordinate is given as 2 comma 8. Got it? So these are the two endpoints of the line segment AB, whose a's coordinate is -2 comma 2 and b's coordinate is 2 comma 8. And you need to find the coordinate of the points which divides this line segment into 4 equal parts. So अगर इसको 4 equal part भाग करेगा, if the points will divide this line segment into 4 equal parts, that means obviously we will get 3 points. आपको पहला दिन बताया था ना कि जितने भाग करना है उससे एक पॉइंट उससे एक कम होता है. अगर इसको 4 equal भाग में भाग करना है, that means these are the points. So you need to find the coordinates of these points. You need to find the coordinates of these points. So this is, suppose you name this as P, Q, R. Got it? So the question is this कि AB is the line segment where A's coordinate is -2 comma 2, B's coordinate is 2 comma 8. दोनों का coordinate दे रखा है. You need to find the coordinates of the points which divides this line segment into 4 equal parts. That means points of tetrasection. Trisection means 3 equal में भाग करना. हाँ, 3 equal भाग करेंगे तो 2 पॉइंट मिलेंगे. तो here we are given that the line segment is to be divided into 4 equal parts. That means we will get 3 points, and you need to find the coordinates of that 3 points. And we have named that 3 points as P, Q, R. No problem. So first case 1, coordinate of P we will find. Coordinate of P. So that day I told you कि the 4 equal भाग means if you assume this as one part, this is also one, this is also one, this is also one. 4 equal भाग means all these part will be same. If you take this as k, this is k, this is k, this is k. तो 4 point P ये a b था, ये P पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट. तो फर्स्ट हमारे को P पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने के लिए टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट P, these are the point of division. So we have to find the coordinate of the points of division here. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो इससे पहले क्वेश्चन देते थे एक ही देते थे, बोले इस पॉइंट ने इसको काटा है, आप कोऑर्डिनेट निकालो. इसमें तीन पॉइंट है, 4 इक्वल भाग मीन्स 3 पॉइंट है, तो तीनों का कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने के लिए फर्स्ट P का निकालेंगे एंड वी विल नो इन व्हाट रेशियो that first point whatever we are taking that point is dividing line segment in what ratio. अगर वो रेशियो निकाल लेंगे तो हमने पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल सकते हैं. तो ये रेशियो है जी 1:3, ये पार्ट 1 है, ये 3 है. तो फॉर पॉइंट P रेशियो इज 1:3. फॉर पॉइंट Q द रेशियो इज 2:2. ये 1:3, ये 2:2, ये फॉर पॉइंट R इट इज 3:1. दिस आर द रेशियो. हाउ टू गेट दैट रेशियो मैं आपको प्रीवियस क्लास में बता दिए थे. Got it? So for point P, the ratio is 1:3. So if the point of ratio is, if the given ratio is 1:3, then you have to find the formula point x part is क्या है? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Good. What is m here? 1:3 में m is 1 ना? Good. x2, this is x1. This is y1, this is x2, this is y2. What is x2? 2. Good. What is n? 3. What is x1? -2. m plus n is 1 plus 3. Good. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Here it would be 2 minus 6. 3 into 2 is -6 na? That is why. So -4 by 4. That is equal to -1. -4 by 4 is -1. This is the x part. Then we will get the y part. Y part of the point, that is ordinate. Y part means ordinate. Y part of the point P, point of division is PQR here. So y part means the ordinate of the point P, and this is x part means abscissa of the point P. तो y part का formula हमारा है. What is the formula we are having? my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So what is m? 1. What is y2? 8 na? This is x1, y1, x2, y2. What is n here? 3 na? The ratio is, for point P ratio is 1:3. 3 into, what is y1? Sorry, plus 2. Got it? See, this is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus 1. What is m here? 1. What is x2 here? 2. Good, 2. Plus what is n here? 3. What is x1? -2. So 2 minus 6, it is good. And next it is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So what is m here? 1. Into what is y2? 8. Plus 3 into n is 3 into y1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 3. So it would be 8 plus 6 by 4. So 14 by 4, that is 7 by 2. So that means the coordinate of P is 1 minus 1 comma 7 by 2. See the calculation here. You have to be very careful about the calculation. My2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So it is 1 into y2 is 8, right? Plus 3 into n equal to 3 into y1 is 2, 6. Good. So that is how we have to do the coordinate of point P. Then for Q, I think this problem I discussed earlier. So for Q again the ratio will be 2:2. So then x part you find mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Then y part y part का formula is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus good. So what is m here? 2, n is 2, x1 x2 are same, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Then for point r you have to find. So you have to do this problem as a homework. Next see question number 8. Question number 9 we have done. Next see question number 8. Question number 8 is easy, but indirect ratio is given. Indirect ratio is given means direct ratio is not given. You have to find the ratio. Then the question becomes very easy. मैं बता देता हूँ कैसे आपको. See question number 8 में आपको बोला है if a and b are -2, -2 and 2, -4. a का कोऑर्डिनेट दे रखा हमको -2, -2 और b का कोऑर्डिनेट हमको दे रखा है 2, -4. So the coordinate of a is given as -2, -2 and coordinate of b is given as 2, -4 respectively. Find the coordinates of point P. बोले P का कोऑर्डिनेट निकालो आप जहां पे AP equal to 3/7 AB. AP equal to 3/7 AB. बोला कि and P lies on the segment AB. मतलब इसमें आपको दो भाग बोला है. एक बार बोला है कि the coordinate of A is given as -2, -2 and coordinate of B is given as 2, -4 and these are the two end points of a line segment and P is lying between these two end points on this line. That means P may be here, इधर कहीं पे भी हो. That means ये जो line segment है हमारा, ये जो line segment है इसमें P कहीं पे भी है. मान लिया P इधर है, got it? हाँ P इधर है, लेकिन हमारे को एक कंडीशन बोला कि दिस AP इक्वल टू 3/7 ऑफ AB. अच्छा तो सी हियर AP इक्वल टू 3/7 ऑफ AB. इसका मतलब है कि टोटल इज AB तो उसका 7 पार्ट है. टोटल इज 7 पार्ट एंड AP इज 3 पार्ट. Total is 7 part, AB is 7 part and AP is 3 part. That means this is 3 part and whole total is 7 part. So PB means it will be 4 part. So the ratio actually it is not. आपको ये दिक्कत है कि सर ये रेशियो नहीं दे रखा, but how will you get the ratio? So AP equal to 3/7 AB means AP is 3 part and total is 7 part, so remaining would be 4 part. Therefore, here the ratio is 3/4. If the ratio is 3/4, now you can find the coordinate of the point P. So this is also your homework. From tomorrow, we will move on to the area of triangle and quadrilateral. So that is the last topic of coordinate geometry. You do this as a homework. How this ratio comes? 3/4. You got it, na? So do this as a homework. Okay, bye.